Hello, we are here with March's Ipsy bag, actually doing things on time for once, so that's awesome. I have kind of like a light makeup look on today because it is St. Patrick's Day, so I figured I'd do just like a nice light green look. But yeah, let's get into this. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't just flash all y'all my address. That would suck. Is that all that's in there? Yep. Okay. This month's bag, super cute, gives spring vibes. A little strawberry. So this is like woven. It's kind of like that plasticky, like Easter grass kind of texture, and it's woven. I'm not going to be using this one. Does it give me Easter basket vibes? Absolutely. Is the strawberry charm adorable? Yes. Okay. Why is my ring light consistently rocking? Let me just scoot you back a bit. Stop. There we go. Please stop shaking. Okay, there we go. First thing, card. No one gives a shit. Next thing here. Mark Anthony Grow Long Scalp and Hair Serum. I know a lot of people do oil their scalps before they do an everything shower. I typically do one of those like every Friday morning, you know, with the scrub and the hair mask and all that. So this will be nice to add into that routine and try it out when this coming Friday, when I do that. Not something I probably would have bought on my own. Still cool though. Interested to try it out. I guess we'll check back in an empties when it's empty to see if I feel it as something worthwhile as buying a full-size scalp oil. Next thing. What's Up Beauty Mini Positivity Lightweight Hydrating Face Primer. It is a face primer. I'm gonna get this out of here just so we can see what kind of face primer it is. If it's like, you know, silicone-y or what. Not a silicone one. Very much, it's like, and now it's on the floor. Slightly tacky. It is a tackier one. I'm not really someone who tends to reach for tacky primers because I do find them harder to work with. But you know, to each his own. I know people tend to really like tacky ones. Next thing here, if it will come out of the damn bag, there we go. Beauty Vault Beaming Lip Liner Duo. Okay, this product was my choice for this month. It is 2 different lip liners. Those are the 2 shades. I feel like you can't tell as much of a difference on camera. It's kind of like a pinky color and a nudie color. Really, dog? Is this the time to play with that toy? Sora, honey, can we just wait like 5 minutes? The pink one is called For Flora, and the brown one is called Rare Meal. You swatch them. Thank you for bringing it up onto the couch and then throwing it on the floor. I appreciate you so much, dog. I love him, but he always picks the most inopportune times. Wow, those are similar shades. Okay. That's the pink one. That's the tan one. The tan one, they're pretty much the same color. One is just pink and terracotta, but they are essentially the same color. Not mad about it. I don't hate it. I just, you know, wish there was a slight more variation there. This is a perfume. I finished up the last, like, perfume that I got in an Ipsy bag this morning, so Ipsy decided, here, you want another one? This is Nanette Lepore, Oh La La Lepore. Are there any notes? Here are the notes. The top notes are Champagne Bubbles, Pear Sorbet, and Lemon Leaf. The middle notes are Parisian Poppy, French Lavender, Neroli Blossom. Ugh. And the base notes are Cashmere Woods, Tonka Bean, and Ambergris. Pretty decent size thing. 10 milliliters. I'm definitely getting the lemon leaf and the pear. It's nice, it's fresh, it's fruity. Not something I could ever see myself buying a full size or any kind of larger size of, but it's something. That's on the floor now. Then the final thing in here, so tiny, Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Creams. This is a teeny tiny eye cream. Not gonna open it because I wanna make sure it's nice and intact. What is going on with my ears? I think my ears need to pop because there we go. I'm just mildly congested because it is almost spring. I'm not gonna open it because if it does have a seal, I don't wanna have it like open before it is up next to my rotation, because right now what I've been doing is I have been going through all these little mini, excuse me, all of these little mini products and using them up before I buy a full size, because I have a drawer full of them. And like, if I'm not using them, they're just going to waste, so I'm trying to use them. But yeah, that is it for my March 2025 Ipsy. I will see you next month with April's. Bye!